Alright guys, I thought I would do an example, the first one on your homework, just to show you guys an example of how to get started on this. So once again, we're going to be using our formula for volume of a cylinder, which is V volume is equal to pi times the radius squared times the height. And all we're going to do on this is plug in the information that we know. So we know the volume is going to be 282.6. So we're going to plug that in right there for V. So I've got 282.6 is equal to pi times, and we know what the radius is. The radius is 3. So we're going to square that times height. And we don't know what height is, but we're going to be looking for height. So we got 282.6 is equal to pi times 3 squared is 9 times height. And now I'm going to go ahead and do this part here. I'm going to do 9 pi. So on my calculator, I'm going to go and do 9 times 3.14. That's going to give me 28.26. So 282.6 is now equal to these two multiplied together, which was 28.26 times the height. And now, to get this h by itself, to get this isolated, we have to get rid of this. And we're going to do that by using the inverse. So what's the inverse of multiplying by 28.26? That's right, it's dividing by 28.26. So this is going to cancel. It's going to leave me with h. And then I've got 282.6 divided by 28.26 gives me 10. And so my height is going to be 10 centimeters. And that's how you do the first one. So on the maze, we would start by going over to the right. All right, good luck.